guys, Greg Films here, and we're back with another tutorial explaining all about Snapshot. So this will work with all the X series, the Go series, and all the Ace Pros. We have a Snapshot feature in the Insta360 app that will let you capture a high quality photo from any video that you take with any of your cameras. So let's dive right into it.
Connect your camera to the Insta360 app. In this case, I'm using the X5. Select the footage you want to work with, then tap keyframe. Scrub through the timeline to find the exact frame you want to capture. Adjust the perspective until you're happy with the view, and tap add keyframe. Set your preferred aspect ratio using the options at the top. Next, tap the arrow icon, then hit Snapshot. Save the image, and just like that, you've got a high quality still frame.
So there you have it. Now you can take some high quality photos from all your videos using the Snapshot feature in the Insta360 app. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to more weekly tutorials. Until next time, happy shooting.